Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through stand setup and installation for your BenQ. This is the GW2786TC Monitor. If you're interested in this monitor or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at all the stand parts and components. Really high quality, and I love the white finish on everything that you see right here. Very sleek and just refreshing to look at. We typically only see black stands and monitors, but anyways, this is a tool-free installation and setup option, which is awesome. I love having that flexibility. Basically, this will only fit one way on here, so we just line it up just like so, and now we need to tighten it down. If you look on the underside of the plate, this is how we're going to achieve that right there without using any tools. Now this bolt, you can tighten it down or loosen it with the Phillips head or flathead if you so choose, but you'll see right here when we line everything up and tighten it down, you're not going to need any tools. Maybe if you crank it so tight and for some reason you're trying to disassemble the stand, then you might want to grab a screwdriver, but it's not needed. This isn't going anywhere. And since we have the stand assembled right there, now we just have to snap it on the back of our monitor. So we have these two tabs up at the top right there. Those are going to line up right there, and then they'll snap in place at the bottom. Once the stand's on, if you need to remove the stand, this is your stand release button right there. Maybe you can even see the black levers on the inside being released when we press that button down. But line up the tabs here up at the top, then you'll hear it snap and click in place. So there we go, everything just snapped right in. Now we can lift everything up, and there you go. We have successfully got our stand set up and installed. So I got to show you how fantastic the stand is right out of the box. It does everything you would want a monitor stand to do. So we have height adjustment, lowest height, maximum height, or somewhere in between. We also have the ability to rotate it to the left or to the right. Very substantial swivel there. How cool is that? And then we can also change our viewing experience. We have the lovely vertical and portrait viewing options with the stand on either side. Look at that. How cool is that? Love, love, love that. And then we have our tilt, max tilt down, max tilt back. I can show you that from the side right here. So max tilt down, max tilt back, or somewhere in between. And then you can see how we can swivel that to the left or to the right. Very, very, very capable monitor stand.